Football history contains moments that shock the fans, the players on the field, and people around the world. Football is more than a game. Sometimes it produces scenes so strange that millions of viewers cannot trust their own eyes. Today we are counting down 20 unbelievable incidents caught on camera in football history that still make people ask, did this really happen? Vanishing player. Watch the runner near the sideline. 1 second he is completely visible. The next, a large part of his body seems to disappear from the broadcast. The scene spread online after a Real Madrid and Manchester City match with viewers replaying it frame by frame. Some saw a live broadcast glitch. Others said the player passed through an area that should have remained visible. Even in slow motion, the transition looks strangely clean, almost as if the picture briefly erased him. Was it only a technical mistake, or did the camera capture something nobody was supposed to see? Hidden drop. A striker scores, clears the advertising boards, and races toward the supporters. Then, he suddenly drops out of sight. During a Japanese league celebration, Anderson Lopes leaped toward what looked like a walkway behind the goal. Instead, the ground vanished beneath him, and his entire body disappeared below the camera line. Teammates rushed toward the boards in confusion. From the broadcast angle, there was no visible edge, and no clue that a deep space existed behind the barrier. The replay turns a routine celebration into one of the strangest football moments ever filmed. Where exactly did he land? Early celebration. The stadium erupts after a dramatic stoppage time goal. Fans pour onto the field, players are surrounded, and everyone seems convinced the championship is over. But the referee has not ended the match. As officials clear the field, the celebration creates an unexpected break. When play finally resumes, the other team launches one last attack and changes the entire story. The footage moves from joy to disbelief within minutes. Did the early invasion alter the momentum, give the opponent time to recover, or was the final twist always waiting to happen? The answer still divides viewers, as the atmosphere shifted from celebration to something far more unsettling. Nobody knew where the next object might land. Cameras captured players staring into the smoke while the crowd roared behind it. Was this only a celebration out of control, or a warning that something worse was approaching? Snake invasion. The ball is moving through midfield when several players suddenly stop and stare at the grass. A long snake is crossing the field during a live match in Guatemala. A few people approach, but when it moves, everyone jumps back. Security staff arrive with long tools, yet the animal keeps changing direction, as if it has no intention of leaving. Fans watch as the broadcast zooms in, but no camera shows where it entered. How did it reach the center of a crowded stadium unnoticed, and why did it appear at that exact moment? Impossible save. An Argentine goalkeeper makes a costly mistake and sends the ball directly to an opponent. The goal is wide open, and the shot is on target. Then, out of nowhere, a dog races across the penalty area and blocks the ball just before it reaches the line. The timing is so perfect that the stadium pauses. In slow motion, the dog meets the ball like a defender reading the play. Was it only chasing a moving object, or did it understand what was happening? Would you call this pure luck or the smartest save of the match? Tell us in the comments. Black cat. From an impossible save, we move to a smaller visitor on a bigger stage. A black cat runs onto the field during a Barcelona match at Camp Nou and refuses to be caught. Staff members approach from different directions, but the cat slips past each one as tens of thousands of fans watch. Because black cats carry mysterious symbolism, the clip became more than a simple interruption. Nobody clearly saw where it entered, and the cameras never showed exactly how it escaped. Was it only a lost animal or an unexpected sign before the match unfolded? Sky visitor. Players are focused on the ball when a shadow sweeps across the field. Heads turn upward. Seconds later, a parachutist descends directly into the middle of a league match in Poland. The landing is so low that players move aside while officials rush in. The referee even produces a card, adding a surreal touch to the scene. But the real mystery remains. Did the parachutist lose control, misjudge the wind, or intentionally choose a live soccer match as a landing zone? When play restarts, everyone keeps watching the sky for another arrival. Dust spiral. Before a tournament final in Bolivia, both teams are lined up when dust begins twisting at the edge of the field. A small swirl quickly grows and moves toward the players. Some run while others stand frozen and watch it approach. The camera captures the column crossing the grass before it fades almost as quickly as it formed. Viewers called it a mini tornado, a dust devil, or something stranger, yet the center of the spinning cloud is never clearly visible. Was it carrying debris hiding an object or creating an illusion through the dust? Its sudden appearance still feels like a scene from a mystery film. B-storm. Without warning, players, referees, and camera operators drop flat on the ground. At first, the scene makes no sense. Then thousands of tiny dark shapes become visible above the field. A massive swarm of bees is moving through a match in Tanzania. People near the benches seek cover while those on the grass remain still. The strangest detail is the crowd. Many spectators stay seated as if the danger exists only below them. What drew such a large swarm into a noisy stadium, and why did it pass directly over the players? The footage remains one of the most unsettling soccer interruptions ever caught on camera. Collapsing goal. Minutes before a Champions League semifinal, one of the goals begins leaning. Then the entire structure falls to the ground. Real Madrid and Borussia Dortmund are ready, but suddenly there is no usable goal at one end. Players return to the tunnel as workers search for a replacement. The timing makes the moment especially strange. How could such a large structure fail immediately before one of the biggest matches of the season? Was it pressure from the crowd, a hidden weakness, or a chain reaction nobody noticed until the final second? The world could only watch and wait. Drone flag. A small object appears above a heated match between Serbia and Albania. As it descends, viewers realize it is a drone carrying a flag. The device floats over the players until someone reaches for what is hanging beneath it. Within seconds, the entire stadium changes. Players and officials rush toward the same area and the match stops. One lightweight machine has taken control of a major international event. Who was operating it, where was the pilot, and how did it reach the center of the stadium without being stopped? This viral football clip proves that the smallest object can create the largest reaction. Stadium bursts. A match in Mexico is moving normally when rapid, sharp bursts echo from outside the stadium. The goalkeeper reacts first and runs toward the tunnel. Other players follow as fans duck, move toward exits, or climb closer to the field. The cameras keep recording, but nobody knows where the sounds are coming from or how close they are. For several minutes, the stadium feels trapped between a live sporting event and an unknown situation beyond its walls. The players see only the field while the noise suggests something serious nearby. What would you do if every possible exit seemed to lead toward uncertainty? If those unexplained stadium sounds pulled you deeper into the mystery, like the video and subscribe to Ultimate Fact, because the final 7 moments are even stranger. Lightning line. Dark clouds hang over a 1998 match in South Africa, but play continues. Then a brilliant flash fills the screen. In the next instant, players from both teams fall across different areas of the field. Medical staff rush in and play stops. The synchronized reaction is what makes the footage so disturbing. Players yards apart react at almost the same moment. Did the lightning strike the ground, directly travel through the wet surface, or spread through something nobody could see? One frame shows a normal match. The next looks almost impossible. Decades later, it remains one of football history's most shocking moments caught on camera. Lone goalkeeper. A 16-year-old goalkeeper in Russia prepares to kick the ball during practice. The sky is dark, but the session continues. He begins his run, and a bright line suddenly drops from above. The entire picture turns white. Teammates race toward him as the camera keeps recording from a distance. The event lasts a fraction of a second, yet every replay slows time. How was one player singled out on such a wide field, and how did he later return to the game? Returning ball. A penalty shootout in Thailand has reached an incredible score. The next shot hits the crossbar and flies high into the air. The goalkeeper celebrates, certain it is over, but the ball drops behind him, hits the ground, and begins spinning back toward the empty goal. At first, nobody notices. Then the goalkeeper turns and races after it, but the ball crosses the line before he returns. A missed penalty somehow becomes successful seconds later. Was it the spin, the wind, the slope of the field, or a perfect combination of all three? The replay becomes stranger every time you watch it. Red beach ball. A bright red beach ball is sitting inside the penalty area during Sunderland against Liverpool. Play continues. Darren Bent takes a shot and the real match ball strikes the smaller ball. In one instant, both objects move in different directions. The goalkeeper follows the original path and is left helpless as the soccer ball enters the goal. Thousands see two balls moving in one frame, yet few understand until the replay. How did a child's beach ball reach the most important possible location? And why was it still there when the shot arrived? One harmless object changed the game forever. Phantom goal. Watford and Reading are playing in 2008 when the ball travels outside the goal and appears to go behind the line for a corner. Players reset. Then the referee signals a goal. The goalkeeper looks stunned. Defenders protest. Even the team awarded the score seems confused. Replays show no clear moment when the ball enters the net, yet the scoreboard changes. The incident becomes known as a ghost goal, but the name does not solve the mystery. That phantom decision still divides viewers. Should a score like this stand, or should officials erase it immediately? Share your call in the comments before we enter the final two mysteries. What did the assistant referee believe he saw? Was there an angle unavailable to the main cameras, or did one split-second visual mistake rewrite the entire match? Net door. Stefan Kiesling heads the ball during a Bayer Leverkusen match in 2013. He grabs his head because the attempt appears to miss. Then his teammates begin celebrating. The ball is resting inside the net and the referee has awarded a goal. Hoffenheim players protest, but the score remains. The path happens too quickly for the eye to follow. Did the ball find an unseen opening? Did the camera angle hide part of its movement? Or did everyone briefly see a different version of the same event? Kiesling's own reaction makes this phantom goal even harder to understand. Running shadow. During a match at Hernando Siles Stadium in Bolivia, the camera captures a dark figure moving through the stands at remarkable speed. It appears to cross stairways, walls, and rows of spectators without slowing down. Nearby spectators show no reaction, as though nothing passed them. Years later, similar footage made the clip viral again, and viewers examined every frame. Is it a reflection, a person moving through a hidden aisle, a broadcast artifact, or something connected to the stadium itself? The figure has no clear starting point and no visible destination. It enters the picture races through the crowd and disappears. Which moment felt most mysterious? Which clip looked completely real? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.